In today's data-driven world, businesses need dashboards that deliver real-time insights for faster decision-making. Bold BI makes it easy to connect with PostgreSQL and start visualizing your data without complex setup or coding. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Bold BI with PostgreSQL in under a minute. First, log into your Bold BI account. Create a new dashboard. Go to Data Source Options to connect the data source. Select PostgreSQL from the list of available connectors. Now, you need to enter your database details. Fill in the name, server name, port, username, password, and database. Click Connect, which will open the Query Designer page. Drag and drop the table widget into the Query Designer. Here, add the join condition by dragging another table into the Query Designer. By clicking the Filter option, the data in the table can be filtered. Click Run to see the filtered data. Click Save to save the data source. And now you're ready to build dashboards. Now, you can bind this data to any of the widgets in your dashboard, like this. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. If you don't have a Bold BI subscription, start a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Or you can request a personalized demo. Our experts will walk you through tailored solutions for your use case. Don't wait, start building dashboards today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Bold BI tutorials. Thanks for watching.